Good afternoon, everyone. Well, looks like gold is continuing its way up, and I'm gonna go over some of the stocks I've been following, and this is directionalanalysis.com. Okay, so this is NXG. We are still making this handle for the copying handle, so there's really not much else to say about that. The CCI, you can see this V turn that it did. That's a good sign. Let me zoom in this area. So we had the crossover from the MACD uh, moving averages. So that's you can see it started to be some positive inflow in the histogram as well. That's a good thing. And also this Woody CCI indicator, it's also starting to show some more inflow and the turn on the moving averages. So that's that. FTR. Well, we are looking at this at a weekly play. So well, it's still in this triangle. The pattern hasn't been broken yet, or either for the upside or the downside. So I still think that it's going to be going higher. You can see in some of the indicators that are starting to turn to the north. So that's a good sign. It is a down day on the overall market, but so this is something that it's definitely on the longer term type of play. So target's still gonna be for now around the $10 area. So from where at the levels where I started covering it, it's about 30-40% gain. So let's move on. NSU, wow, what a ride this one's been. This is my best performer so far. I started talking about it when it was around 2, right in this area, and now look at it, it's 328. We're starting to break out of this resistance. It took us a little bit to this is a weekly, also the weekly chart, so you can see there was like a little bull flag right there, consolidation type thing, and now we're moving on, pushing through that resistance. It is resistance, pretty strong resistance. So but we're working that through it. Definitely we're going for that 350 high, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna be taking that out, and my target is still around the fours, anywhere from the 4 to 5 range. So this is also a longer term play, even though it's already up like 60%. So as far as the sectors, the gold sectors, the XME, which is the metal and mining ETF, it's this is unstoppable. You have this ETF, Spiders ETF, that's just continuing up, consolidation this area right here, and just broke out of it the past few days. So that's a good sign. And also the GDX, which is the actual mining ETF, which it broke out of this area right here. If you can see, it broke out and it tested, back tested, like you can see right here. Yep, it broke out right here, it back tested a little bit, and it just massive moving to the upside. So for now, the gold sector is still on the one of the best performers, and I think it's going to be for the next quarter. So that's it for now. Thank you for listening. This is directionalanalysis.com. Have a great day, everybody.